Okay, I am at the Shell Factory in Fort Myers, Florida. And I've never been here, but this is a classic roadside attraction that I've wanted to go to for a long time. They just have all sorts of random stuff. And, yeah, let's go see what's inside. This is the classic 1970s roadside sign for the Shell Factory. Also, there's this stupid looking dinosaur. So it has like a whole big complex with a subway, shops, and some museums. So I believe this place opened originally in 1937, and it's still here. So this place claims to be one of the largest gift shops in the world. And I believe it. This place is huge. They sell these cool non-Florida shells from like the Pacific. So yep, they just have a bunch of shells for sale. But I don't think they make them. You can't make shells unless these are all fake, which is probably true. They also sell camel bones and llama bones. They actually evolved here in Florida. Like, these are natural. Yep. They have bison bones as well. I don't think these are native to Florida. Here, this is armadillo. Turtle fossils, petrified wood. Oh, this is cool. They have the coral stuff that I kind of expected.
Probably not.
So, they have an alligator skin up here, and all sorts of severed heads. That's a lot of heads. These are real. This is cruel. See the rest of my family at that nature park. So I guess the rest of his family will join him up there. They also have, what is that, a bobcat and some deer mounts. They have sand dollars. There's Santa Shark. This place is so tacky, and it's so beautiful. There's a bunch of conch shells. They have a zoltar. You gonna talk? I'm not paying you. Here's a wall of taxidermy. These are leopards attacking some warthogs. Here's a white rhinoceros, and the zebra, and a moose, and a bear. Just all sorts of random taxidermy. This is the Pirate's Den. They just have some pirate wax figures. These things are so ugly. The Southwest Florida Military Museum, which I still haven't been to, has a little display here. This is the military museum. This is a chair from the Lincoln White House. have an exhibit on the Kennedy assassination, which tomorrow will be the anniversary of it. I have one of the original copies of this photograph. This is Easter in Palm Beach, but I have one of the original copies from Evelyn Lincoln's collection. I think this is Texas Governor John Connolly's autograph. He was also shot in the assassination.
We're out of time, and the name of this book is called The Kennedy Detail. Gerald Blaine, you led around one of that state's most famous political sons, Lyndon Baines Johnson.
Okay, heading into the holiday house, because it's never too early. This Santa is so bloated. I've gotta say, this place is just so awesome. They just have the most random stuff here. They have this giant miniature village. The snow villages. I used to have one of these. I really like these. Oh my god.
How about a song to get you into the holiday spirit?
Nope. But this is still amazing. Here's some lions from Zimbabwe. I do have good news. None of the animals in this place were shot. Probably. I think all of these are from Africa. Like there's a giraffe neck. That elephant is huge. Just this stuff is so cool. Here's a bunch of other dead animals. Here's a leopard killing a baboon. And they just randomly have a John Wayne in here. You know, why didn't we just domesticate the zebra?
Welcome, partners. It sure is good to see y'all here with smiles on your faces. Being a big bad Texas buffalo, I don't do much smiling myself. Bad for my image, you know.
Okay then. Here's some bison and an Alaskan brown bear. And I think these are all just a bunch of antelopes. Look at this guy, he's on one leg. This is a Shell golf cart. They also have an arcade. There is an ostrich in a jail cell. I've never seen this fortune teller before. This is Captain Fishbone. Fossil museum. This fossil skeleton, Ichthyosaurus from England. This is a woolly rhino with a obvious bite mark through its jaw. This thing is a mosasaur fossil. And this is what they look like. That's really cool. I think this is a mammoth lower jaw and some petrified cypress.
Animals like Velociraptor, they have big
Trilobite and a plesiosaur.
grasping arms, good long fingers hanging onto things, long foot, slashing claws on hind feet for actually cutting. There's no forked femur.
There's a giant amethyst.
The speed of a bipedal animal can be determined by the ratio between its
There's a bison. Very used to seeing these out west, but never here in Florida.
to see how fast it was.
I think this is a bear hand.
Had little toys that
Some cool minerals.
chased everything else around and ate it.
They live almost 3 million years apart. But first, they must feed.
Here's a meteorite. That's some impact blast from a meteorite that hit Libya. And then there's a little Mars rock and a moon rock. It's just more and more fossils and rocks and stuff. Here are horse fossils.
But they've got plenty of work to do. They must ensure no eggs.
Females have to be stockpiling resources, big time. Those materials have to be stored in the body so that they're available instantly to start producing the eggs as soon as they enter.
A dinosaur
A crocodile
also
skull.
needs calcium or eggshells. The dinosaur eggshell is composed of calcium carbonate.
I think this is the real entrance. Right here. Ooh, a fire truck. Donald Trump's favorite. See, I think what Donald Trump just wants is to do this. He just wants to be in a truck, a macho truck driver. There's also a nature park here with some Florida wildlife, I think. Alright, well, the outside nature park, you have to be older. I think you have to be 18 to go in by yourself, and I am 16, so they wouldn't let me in. Just total bullshit, but whatever. But anyways, that was the Shell Factory, which I gotta say overall is amazing. I love that place. Can't believe I've never been here before. But anyways, go watch the rest of my videos. Bye.